uh, 5:19 a.m. in the morning. Now our tank is full. Tiranga Dhaba, and we had some chai and aloo ka paratha here. See, it's already 6:23 a.m. We are roughly around 100 kilometers away from Delhi. I'm cruising at 80-85, but for now it's really great. And the Extreme 125 is performing really well on the highways. 70, that's the only option you have, or else die. Just die. First कलेश in Delhi. लगता है भाई की स्कूटी में ठोक दिया. Good morning guys. Currently it's 5:19 a.m. in the morning, and we are heading to somewhere. It's just today I was thinking let's go for a solo ride. It's only me and me. Currently it's totally dark right now. Hello guys. Now our tank is full, so we can push further without worrying about the fuel. It's full, totally full. I see you guys. So guys, we have reached Tiranga Dhaba, and we had some chai and aloo ka paratha here. And what I'm thinking, let's push till Delhi. Can we do that? I'm thinking to push it to Delhi, and I have taken permission from the group admin, aka the Redliner, because of course he and Nikhil is the only one that they know that I'm going for a ride here. So I need to tell them and take permission for them to push it further. I have taken the permission, and admin said you can push if you want. So I'm pushing to Delhi right now, and as you can see it's already 6:23 a.m. and we are going. We are currently 125 kilometers far away from Delhi, and 50-60 kilometers far from Hisar. So let's move to Delhi and see how it goes. I see you guys in a minute. You can see the sunrise. Damn, it looks so cool. The sunrise, the cool weather, and the time is currently 6:40 a.m. and we are roughly around 100 kilometers away from Delhi. We are going to reach Delhi around 2.5 hours, not more than that, or around maybe in 2 hours. That's it. Baki, you can enjoy the view and all. Am I on the right way? Hope so. Damn, the view is really great, and the roads are getting better day by day. Not even, you can see that road is not even, so I need to be on my limits. I'm cruising at 80-85, not pushing it too hard, because you know that highways are not good, especially in India. Damn, look at the sun, guys. The sun is up, the weather is really good, like really good, and the highways are not crowded. Of course, जब हम Delhi में enter करेंगे तो we can see if it's crowded or not, but for now it's really great. And the Extreme 125 is performing really well on the highways. I done the service yesterday of this bike, and after the service the engine oil they use is 100% synthetic engine oil, not the semi-synthetic. and after that the performance and overall the engine noise and vibration has come down, and the performances of this bike is really improved. See, the performance is really improved. For now I'm really enjoying the ride, bike and the view. You guys can see that sun looks so good. And currently it's 6:53 a.m. and we are around 70 to 80 kilometers away from Delhi, and let's see when we are going to reach. So we are currently 70 kilometers away from Delhi, and as you guys seen that people aren't give a shit about you if you're on a highway or anywhere. They just know that's clear, or if they think that's clear, then that's clear. They will just reign over you. So stay focused, stay in control. That's the only option you have, or else die. Just die. If you're not focused on the highways or a road, you will die, dude. You will die. There's nothing option left for you. Okay. From now we are around 30-25 kilometers away from Delhi, and we'll be reaching Delhi by 8 a.m. तो डैम एक्सीडेंट हो रखा है यार। यूजुअली एक्सीडेंट्स कब होते हैं पता है? बिकॉज जब ड्राइवर्स होते हैं जो ड्राइव करते वक्त अपना ध्यान भटकाते हैं, म्यूज़िक बजाना, फ़ोन चलाना। फ़ोन चलाना तो बहुत कॉमन हो चुका है। गाड़ी चलाते हुए फ़ोन चला रहे हैं, गाने बजाना, इट्स टोटली कॉमन। इवन अगर पुलिस भी रोक रही है तुम्हें तो दे भी लाइक भाई लाइसेंस दिखा दो, वो ये नहीं पूछेंगे कि भाई तुम फ़ोन क्यों चला रहे हो। इट्स टोटली कॉमन नाउ। फॉरगेट द ड्राइवर्स यार। द व्यू इज़ रियली गुड एंड हाईवेज आर गेटिंग बेटर यार। आई डिडंट थॉट कि हाईवेज इतने अच्छे मिलेंगे मेरे को। बहुत ही क्लियर एंड बहुत ही सही। So guys, we are in Delhi right now, and as you can see, क्या कर रहा है सूती है क्या अंधा? So as you can see, we are in a road, highway which connects Haryana and Delhi, and usually ये वाला जो है रोड बहुत ही ज़्यादा crowded रहता है, but it's quite morning right now, so खाली है, काफ़ी खाली है। Reached Madipur right now, and the traffic is getting too crowded now. Like अभी खाली था, but now it's getting more and more heavy. बगल वाली लड़की लग रहा है रेस लगा रही है मुझसे, मुझे पता नहीं क्यों, बट ठीक है, लगाने दो रेस। डैम शी इज़ विनिंग भाई। कौन सी है ये? एक्टिवा 5G? आई गेस शी इज़ विनिंग नाउ। जीत गई यार तुम। नहीं लगाना मेरे को रेस। लेट मी गो ऑन माई वे, लेट मी जस्ट गो ऑन माई वे। बाकी वेदर इज़ क्वाइट गुड राइट नाउ, कूल, कोजी, not too hot, not too cold, and I'll be ending the vlog here. I'll let you guys know if we have any plans further. Till now, stay safe, stay tuned, and let me finish the race. Bye bye, take care guys। लड़ाई हो चुकी है। फर्स्ट कलेश इन दिल्ली। लगता है भाई की स्कूटी में ठोक दिया, इसलिए बोलता हूँ बी केयरफुल ऑन रोड। यू नेवर नो भाई कौन कैसे चला रहा है। फिर लड़के झगड़ के क्या ही कर लोगे यार, डैमेज हो गया ना अपना। चलो चुपचाप, कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है लड़ झगड़ के। अगर हो भी जाती है ना कल, सीधा निकलने की कोशिश करो वहाँ से, बोल के बात करें कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होने वाला, कुछ नहीं होगा, जस्ट अपना ही तुम टाइम वेस्ट करोगे, अपना ही माइंड ख़राब करोगे। सो इट्स बेटर कि निकलो एंड थोड़ा ध्यान से चलाओ, स्पेशली ऐसे क्राउडेड सिटीज़ में।